Hi, it's Ileana here, and today I'm just going to be talking about the ancient builder race. A few months ago, I had downloaded an image of a man walking on a planet beside a rugged mountain range. This man has white, glowing skin, also silverish in color. And there's also a beam coming out of one of the sphere planetoids that's above the planet. To me, that looked very familiar. It looked like a sentinel or guardian of some sort. And then when I was checking my memories of the Star Traveler, of the lifetime as a guardian that the Star Traveler had, the Star Traveler had met a sentinel who guards one of the ancient builder race bases on Venus. So the image that I had found reminded me of that Star Traveler lifetime where the Star Traveler entered one of these bases, the ancient builder race bases on Venus. And these bases, like the sentinels, guard these library repositories of universe creation, of all the history, like going back even before 2.6 billion years. So the image really reminded me of that memory of the Star Traveler, how the Star Traveler had gone into one of these basis. And when you say you're ready to know who you were, who you are, and who you'll be, the access keys are basically unlocked to these knowledge repositories, and you start seeing memories of things that you've done in your ET lifetimes, of seeing universal history, and you gain access to universal knowledge as well. So you can see past events, you can see future events, even present events. You start having visions basically of what's going on, and you can energetically put the puzzle pieces together and connect events and energies together to have access to what's happening basically. So that's what the knowledge repositories code downloads allow people to do. So this image really reminded me of that memory event that I had as the Star Traveler. And I actually said yes to the descendants of the ancient builder race that I want all of my memories back. I said, yes, I want to know who I was, who I am, and who I will be. I made an agreement that yes, I want this, that I want to continue doing the work, that I want to integrate parts of the Star Traveler into who I am right now on Earth and my mission here on the planet. And that's how I'm able to do what I do now, to remote view events from the past, from the present, and the future. And yes, it looks like kind of like remote viewing. And I have a light body that goes out. I have my human body and the light body that is basically, I can form a separate body that physically leaves the planet and goes elsewhere. I have that ability. So I've been able to go off-world and do tours of Mars. That was actually arranged physically for me to go and do a tour of Mars. It was really interesting. And I got to go to the sun. And I met a light being called Varia, who has shown me how the sun is evolving, and that the sun's corona is changing. It's changing its frequency. There's more electromagnetic wave patterns that will be emitted by the sun at some point in our near future. So the sun is changing from a yellow spectrum to an orange spectrum in color. And Maria explained it to me that it's going to help human evolution on our planet when this happens. and I saw these interesting energetic funnels on the sun. It looked like fire spirals. But it wasn't fire, it was basically electrically charged energy pulses that the sun emits within itself near the corona. And that's what powers the sun at the core of it in the corona. So that was interesting to see. So the puzzle pieces are really coming together, and I'm starting to understand why I have all these meetings with benevolent ETs and the things I'm studying and learning and what I'm shown in the solar system evolution, what's going on. It's really starting to come together. So I thought I'd share that in this discussion. So thank you. Namaste.